Can I ask you something? Have you ever put Vaseline on any part of your body and thought that it was going to miraculously moisturize and take care of your skin beautifully? I have. And what happened to my skin, I don't know about you, but it looked good for a little while. And then guess what? It went right back to looking dry again. I learned there's a reason for Vaseline making your skin still dry. It is simply that Vaseline, as petroleum jelly, is not an ingredient that will actually fix dry skin. Stay with me. I'm Nancy Regan. I've been doing facials for 30 years. I love getting to the root cause of why something is working or why something isn't working. As a group, we have stayed with Vaseline for many years. We have put it on our heels and we put it on our elbows and we keep thinking things are gonna get better. And here is the big facts of why it will not get better. So if you took a jar, or let's say I took a glass, and I take some plastic wrap and I put it over the glass. And Vaseline is like putting a piece of plastic wrap on your skin and not letting anything in or out. So whatever was going on with the skin before you put on the plastic wrap is what's gonna happen to the skin after you put on the plastic wrap. I didn't realize that until I started getting into like really the skin science of it all. What Vaseline's really good at is making a plastic seal, making a seal on the skin. And it's really good at being a seal. Does Vaseline help dry skin? The short answer is it's an occlusive, it has a lid, it locks it in. So whatever was on the skin before, so if you put in a really fabulous serum or you put something on the skin that is hyaluronic acid or something like that, and then you put Vaseline on, it's going to hold that or seal it in, and it's going to keep a blockade so that nothing gets through that seal. So let's talk about what does Vaseline do and what does Vaseline not do. So it slows down water evaporating from your skin. So that is a big thing, especially if you just got out of the shower and you have water droplets on and you want to make sure your skin stays hydrated. Leave that water droplets on and then you put on Vaseline, and that is keeping that water from escaping. What it does not do is it does not add repair ingredients. So it won't add ceramides. It doesn't add fatty acids. It's not fixing your skin. So Vaseline, despite it's been around forever, it really has no antioxidants. It has no vitamins. It has nothing that is repairing the skin. It does have some redeeming factors, so stay with me. But I think you're gonna see it's not fixing the problem, it's covering up the problem. And you know me, I like to get to the root of the problem. So we gotta figure out what's happening and then fix it. But what Vaseline does a lot of times is it just covers up the problem. Where Vaseline is a superstar is when you have a wound. So what happens when you have a wound is it'll immediately start forming a scab, and sometimes it's too deep, but Vaseline will keep it moist so that the actual wound can do its business and the skin cells can actually work to rebuild themselves from the inside out. So in that case, it is a really good thing for Vaseline. So keep that in mind if you're having problems with scars or wounds, that you want Vaseline to help with the healing process for any wound like that. Another place where it does not, that we see it recommended so much, is for eczema. And it gets recommended for eczema, but here's the deal. All the studies show that it wasn't just petroleum jelly that was helping to heal. There were other things that were helping. So it was always petroleum jelly combined with a humectant, or fancy name for an ingredient that is providing moisture. The treatment was going on before the petroleum jelly. So you could have something that's helping with the eczema and then you're sealing it in with the petroleum jelly or the Vaseline, but it's not helping with the eczema. So the big question here is if Vaseline is the lid and the cover, what goes on first, or what should you apply to the skin if you want your Vaseline to really work and be the lid? I would suggest using a product that had ceramides or peptides, something that is going to actually absorb into the skin before you apply your petroleum jelly. You want things that are going to have what I call a liposomal delivery system. So it's delivering it deep into the skin. And we have that technology now. And then if you want to cover it up with a heavy sealant, that's one thing. It's one of the reasons why we do the mask with the facials is because we're putting on serums first, then we're applying a mask. And the mask, because it's occlusive, is helping to push everything into the skin. The brain has a physiological response where the brain goes, oh, I have to push off what is down there. So the brain sends down serums to say, hey, get that off, which is what's happening when you have petroleum jelly on. It's that physiological response where it's pushing off the petroleum jelly. So at first glance, it looks plumper and nicer. But when you actually see the results of the skin, in order to really see long-term results, you need to be feeding it something before you're sealing it. And I really like to talk about more of like when you're doing a whole system is making sure you're not stripping the skin, that you're feeding the skin, and then you're sealing the skin. So those 3 steps really give you the best results with your skin. Make sure you fill the glass first, not the empty glass. So fill up the glass first, then put the seal on, then use your Vaseline if you really, really want to. But make sure that you're putting on good stuff first and then sealing it. But that's the only way it's really gonna work. Thanks for joining me in the video all about some myths around petroleum jelly. And stay, if you want more, comment Dewey or look at the link down below and follow me for more. And don't give up on Vaseline because it really is good for wounds, and we love it using it for brow tint. It helps to keep everything intact. See you in the next video.